Welcome. If you want to get TFT Mobile on your Huawei smartphone without Google services, for the first you have to get the second smartphone with the Google Play Store, and right here you have to download this application, and also you have to use the phone clone app to transfer data. So right now let's open this application to transfer data on the both smartphones. And by the way, on the left side I got the Huawei P40 Pro Plus, and we are going to use it to show you how it works without the Google services on the smartphone. And right now just click here to install old phone, and on your Huawei smartphone the new phone. Right now we have to select the old phone type, so let's select the Huawei, because on my right side I got Huawei P30 Pro. And right now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input the password manually. So you have to grab your phone, put the frame into the QR code, and right now they are connecting, so we have to wait a few moments. And right here we have to go on the left section and unselect all device. Then just scroll down, click on this marker to enter apps and the data. And right now we have to find our application, and TFT Mobile will be right here at the bottom. So just select the place, click OK, tap on the transfer, click OK, and right now we have to input your log method. And as you can see, it's finished. So right now we can try to open this application, and we are going to check if it's working properly. Okay, we have to get the Wi-Fi connection, because currently I'm just offline. So we can connect to this one, and let's go back. And right now, as you can see, we can add the Riot account. So let me just log in. And I don't want to save the password here. I'm going to turn off the music. And as you can see right here, we got the new available patch that we can download. So that's how you can transfer the TFT Mobile to your Huawei smartphone with our Google services. I hope that'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!